Hello everyone, I'm Hugh here at Loxon, and today this video is part of an ongoing series of config challenges. So what we have today is a commercial office unit, and we're going to be looking at alarms. So just to remind you all, just in case you don't know where to find it, if you can't remember what I say at the end of this video and you'd like a quick refresher before doing the config yourself, you can find that at any time on our website. So on our website, you can go to loxon.com/enen/id/daily-config-challenge, and that will lead you to this page. And on this page, you will have the links to join these webinars live. So what we're doing is every morning at 9:30, we're doing the morning briefing, which is this webinar here, where I tell you what the challenge of the day is. At 1 p.m, we just have an open mic Q&A session. So any questions you'd like to pass me over, you can even send me your config files in, share your screen with me, and we can go through them together. We can discuss things, or just for a general chit chat. And then at 5 p.m, we have the solution. As well, on this page, you will always be able to download the latest config challenge. So this has already been updated with this challenge here that I'm explaining in this video. And then after this video, we will also upload this as well if you would like to catch up. And then on the same page, you've also got all of our previous challenges. So all the challenges that we've run so far, you have the morning briefing, you have the solution video, the PDF explaining the challenge, and a completed config file of it as well. Brilliant. So today's challenge then. So what we've got is a scenario with a communal alarm. So we have a landlord and business owner who owns quite a large office unit. And because it's so large, they can't use all of that office unit themselves. So what they're doing is they have part of the office and then they've sublet two of the smaller units off in that same building to two other businesses. Now they've got it configured that when each business leaves, they can do the normal procedure to turn off all the lights, turn off whatever else there is in the office, and also set the individual office's burglar alarms. But the one bit that's missing is there is also a communal unit. Now this communal unit is the reception area, the entrance, the stairwell, and maybe a toilet or two. Now, at the moment, somebody has to remember to set the communal burglar alarm as well as each individual office alarm. So what needs to happen at the moment is whoever thinks they're last out needs to walk up, check the other two offices are also empty, and then remember to set the communal alarm. Now, of course, this is regularly being either forgotten or just plain ignored because somebody can't be bothered. So what the owner of this building would like is they would like that when the last office leaves, when the last person from the last office leaves and turns their office off, it will automatically set the communal alarm as well. So the details of what we need. We have 3 different office units in the building, and in each office, Loxon is controlling the security, the lighting, and the heating. The communal area is purely motion-based lighting. So there is nothing else in the communal area other than motion-based lighting and a door contact on the front door. The front door also has an NFC code touch for access control so that every occupant of the building can get in the mornings. So what they want to happen is the last person to leave when they shut their office off also arms the communal alarm. And the first person to arrive in the morning unsets the communal alarm as well as their specific office. So let's say I work for Office 2. When I leave in the evening and I'm the last person out, when I leave my office, it will turn my office off, set my office alarm, and it will also set the communal alarm. If I'm then the first person to arrive in the morning, when I present my key fob to the NFC code touch, it will unset the communal alarm and it will also unset Office 2 because that's my office. But it won't touch Office 1 or Office 3. That will have to wait until one of those people from one of those offices arrive. Brilliant, so that's today's challenge. And then for anyone that's joining us new, like every challenge we do, as well as the main challenge, we always give a little bit extra for anyone who figures out the main challenge and wants to challenge themselves a little bit further. And so today's extra little bit of a challenge is we want the landlord to also have a master key. That when they present to the NFC code touch, it disarms all of the units. So the communal area, Office 1, 2 and 3 all get disarmed with that one key fob so that they can go in, check everything, do maintenance and whatever else they need to in the building. Excellent. So just as a reminder, because I know that that can be quite hard to remember everything in the one video, you can find this on our website on loxon.com/ENEN/daily-config-challenge. You will always have the most up-to-date PDF on here of today's challenge, as well as all of our previous challenges, these recorded webinars, the PDFs, and a completed config file as well. Excellent. Well, I hope you enjoyed. And if you are joining me live, please feel free to join in again at the 1 p.m. Q&A session. It's just an open mic. We all have a nice little chat. And then at 5 p.m. for the solution. If you're not watching this live and you're catching up on repeats, hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you very much, and goodbye.